Hi guys, this is the OnePlus Buds Z. I had ordered this. I have received it. Try unboxing it. Okay, here it is. OnePlus Buds Z white. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Looks nice. Let's unbox it. Packaging is very good. And what's inside this? This is a small USB to Type-C cable and red cable card, red cable club, and they have given ear cups for your adjustment. These two are small, these two are large, and this one already will be the medium sized. Okay, let me connect this to my iPhone. Okay. New pop-up on this. The white light blinks, and here it will show OnePlus Z, OnePlus Buds Z. Yeah, it's connected. Box is very light. These two feel very well. Okay, they fit really well. These are not falling down. Let me play some music. Playing this. The bass is very well. You can like feel it. The bass is deep, and the vocal and treble are also good. I played some other songs. Overall, the feel is very well. Like you can pause music by okay. Double tapping this side will change the song, and this side will pause the song. You can customize however you want. There's an option for that, but you must need an OnePlus phone for that to customize that, and later it will work on your iPhone and everything. So first you need to connect with some OnePlus phone and customize the double tap option, then you can use it with your iPhone. If you like this video, please subscribe.